Hello foodies, welcome to Salad and Food. Today I am going to make sweet rice. So let's start. Ingredients for the dish are as follows. Take a bowl of red rice. Wash the red rice. Add the rice to the electric rice cooker. Add 2 bowls of water. Cook it. Add ghee. Add cumin seeds, black pepper, cinnamon, black cardamom, green cardamom and cloves. Add almonds and cashew nuts. Fry it on a medium flame. Now add cooked red rice. Mix well. Add sugar powder to taste. Mix well. Add raisins and mix well. Garnish with almonds, cashew nuts, raisins and pumpkin seeds. Garnish with desiccated coconut. Eat and enjoy! Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Salad and Food. Thank you. See you in the next recipe.